I'm in Virginia, and I am at the Gatewood Campground. I'm not exactly sure what part of Virginia I'm in, but I'm here, and it's absolutely beautiful. I pulled in yesterday afternoon thinking I would just stay one night. But then this morning, the shower house was so warm, and it was such a beautiful morning, that I decided to stick around and take a shower and relax a little bit and take a walk around the reservoir. What does this button do? Don't know. Okay, and finding out what all these little buttons do. The only thing I want it to do is flip over, and it doesn't. So how do I get the camera to flip over without stopping? Don't think I can, so I'm going to stop. Okay, there we go. Took a shower this morning, and living with cardiomyopathy, the littlest things can wear you out, and taking a shower can wear you out. So after I took my shower, it was so beautiful. I decided to stay another day. So I re-upped for another day and rested a bit. Then decided it's so beautiful out. I think I'll rearrange Gigi, because the way I had her set up just was not working. So I started rearranging Gigi and found in the process that the red hot cable to my inverter that is put on at the factory came off. And evidently that can be extremely dangerous. So I thought, oh no. So I text Daddy, and he said, don't touch the copper, and don't let the copper hit any metal. Well, I had already touched the copper, but evidently I didn't get shocked. Oh my goodness, I would have been fried. But anyway, there was a young man and his wife down below me. He is a RV medic. And I thought, wow, what the odds? So Mother Universe definitely sent me to the right spot yesterday. So have Anthony and his wife here. So Anthony came up, evaluated the situation, took his little tester thingy, and found that it had 12 something going through it. And so he said that was too much, and he was afraid that it was life-threatening. So I unloaded Gigi. We got into the battery, and he disconnected that red hot cable. That way it is completely disconnected. No way it can hurt me. Okay, here we go. I guess the sun should be behind me. I guess the sun is behind me. Okay. Okay. This is what came apart. The copper is slid inside that little rubber thingy, and evidently it's supposed to be crimped and never come apart. Well, guess what? It came apart. So I have to get a new one of these, and wow, yep, it definitely came apart in there. Came uncrimped, or it wasn't very crimped to begin with. So it was a good thing I decided to stay an extra day, and that Anthony and his wife was around. So I am just chilling here, enjoying the sunshine and the cool breeze. And I have supper on, and I will be sharing that with you soon. Talk to you later. See you in the funny pages.